Welcome to the ECI Link PM or Vendor View walkthrough. In this video, we'll demonstrate how a project manager manages localization requests submitted by clients. Once the PM logs in, they are shown the task view organized by client. Once the PM switches to the applicable client, they can now see that client's requests. PMs can simply click the relevant task to be taken to the detailed view where they can see details such as delivery date, workflow, DTP type, project, and more. The PM then selects Start Project. They are given the option of working in online or offline modes, selecting the most suitable for the project and tasks. As the PM selected Work Online to start the project, the status will change to Not Split as tasks are still to be assigned. Now, the PM will split the file. In this example, the PM clicks the plus symbol next to the file to split the file by language. To simplify this example, we will directly split each file into one task. The PM clicks the plus symbol next to Chinese and is then shown the edit task we just split. The PM then clicks Assign Task. After confirming, the progress bar updates to show 0%. Once the linguist has completed the task, you can see the request status has changed to Undelivered. The PM can then click the request again to navigate to the details page. In this view, the PM can see that the tasks for each file have been marked as complete. The PM can download the formatted files, view the results, and view the results in the original formatting generated within the platform. The PM can also click View in CAT to see results in file, similar to a linguist view. As all tasks have been completed, the PM can now click Deliver Project to send it to the client immediately.